Hey guys, welcome back for another review. Glad to have y'all here. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Because I won't know until I go to edit it. And then if it ain't right, I gotta redo it. So, keychain, flashlight, cigarette lighter, magnetic base, whistle, screwdriver, all in one. Rechargeable. Light, we'll do it here. High, low, and then a soft white, soft, and a red light. Hold to turn off, or maybe. Hold on. There it goes. Okay, it's off. So it has bright white, high and low, a soft white, high and low, and a red light. The red light also will strobe, kind of like an emergency pattern. It has two screwdriver tips. They're not the greatest bit, but they will work in emergencies. So if you're, excuse me, in a grid down situation and you have to repair a piece of electronics or pull something apart, and it's, you need a small flat or a small Phillips, you've got them here. They go into this end here. It's Type-C rechargeable, which is nice. It uses modern connections. This is a cob light, and I'll throw some, factory stock image up that explains some of the other things. The cigarette lighter, pretty decent. You push and hold the button, your LEDs light up, and then you try and light something. Let's see. Gotcha. Anyway, I couldn't resist. I had to do it. So, yeah. It's got a seatbelt cutter, bottle opener. I'll throw in some footage while I'm rambling here of this at night, so you can see just how bright it is. It is very bright. Obviously, with all the lighting in here, you wouldn't be able to tell right now. But I'll get some footage and throw it in here at night. Do I think it's a good quality product? Yes. I mean, something for, it's $6 right now on Temu. You'd figure it'd be pretty cheap. And it's not twisting. It's very solidly built. The plastic can come off, so if you don't like the red or blue that it comes in, you can pull these off and repaint them. Just be careful of the blade. It is sharp. It's designed for seat belts, so I plan on getting a couple more of these, and I'm going to put these in my friend's vehicles so they've got a way to cut the seat belt if they need to. They've got a nice little work light that's magnetized on the back so they can stick it to the side of the vehicle while they need to. Do I think it's worth the $6? Most definitely. It's probably worth 20 bucks in my opinion. I don't know if it says retail on here. Oh, retail is only $9 or $10. So, it's a little bit off right now. That's good. It's worth the 10 bucks. It's like I say, it's Type-C, modern connection for charging. Full charge doesn't take that long. I'll show factory page setting of the battery milliamp hours here. So I'll try and keep this one short, keep it a few minutes. Really short. Anyway, yeah, it's a quality light. No issues with it at all. It's waterproof, like it says. All the connections that are covered by rubber grommets and boots and all the fun stuff. So I'm gonna make this one short and sweet. If you want to, something to stick in your vehicle for survival emergencies. Does it spin? Yeah, it spins. Anyway, this would be a nice light to get for you and your family. So that's it for this video. We're over. We're done. SOP says, peace.